Why should you attend the Mawlid al-Nabi? It is a celebration of our existence, it's a celebration of love. It's to show the Lord Almighty that, my Lord, we are trying our best to follow You by keeping the company of those whom You love. They come and have feeling energy. That is the love of Sayyidina Muhammad. You can feel the love of people. When their love is sincere and their actions are clean and good, and they only want to praise the Divine Presence. They only want to praise the prophetic realities. It says in hadith that, if you mention me once I'm coming to you. So imagine the ruhaniyat of Prophet must be present in the association. Because you're not coming to give one, you're coming to give thousands of salawats upon Sayyidina Muhammad. If Allah and malaika are there, it's all because Sayyidina Muhammad must be at that malaika. This is a tremendous gift from the Divinely Presence. The halaqas and the mahfils, they hold a tremendous reality. And that's why the ones who attend the mahfil, they're nurani. And they're keeping the company of Prophet, they're ashiqeen of Sayyidina Muhammad. All of the created universe is celebrating that reality in which Allah sent the light of Sayyidina Muhammad into the world of form. Pray that Allah give us life to go from one mahfil to the next mahfil to see Mawlid al-Nabi. وبسر سورة الفاتحة.